so, Yago. No care of your blood clot bad. And yes, so. The hurt of God. Cause all of them tree there will bear fruit when we eat. The hurt then spring out. The water when me a drink. And the hurt it a come from. So me would have said the earth is God, man. Me respect the earth. When me depend me out, I eat hold me up. I eat make me a live. But I just because the wickedness of Jesus bumbleclot regime make some man who have 20 acres of place. And you have people who have nowhere to live. The rat have been hole, the bird have been nest, but we are the pound of mankind. Some have and some don't have. See, me them match down when me live down a whole station. And if me no in mine shop, I have nowhere to go. If I go up on a man page and say, come on. I go up in a one bush and say, me a build up that up plant, so my man comes to a field. See, me dey on a man page and say, come on, I page. If me go in a road, go lay down, some of them no say me fi come out. That means if something for blood clot lick me down. And me can't go up in the air go live. Me can't go in the sea go live. So we are the rascal, the poorer people fi go. The government fi know say, and not them alone have brain. Let's separation for the black race. Give them land to make them house. If them want to take light in there for them business. The government have the access. Cut up people, give root, land, and give the people them. Make them can try. Make them house and live and plant some food around them.
So, Pang.
No, here one now. Let me tell you this. When the prophecy them did a chad earth, you know, Almighty I did say to Job, so Job, you have money already and you have certain things. The greatest thing to give to a man is him food and him shelter. Anything else can come after. Allow me out. Give him food and him shelter me out. Anything after that can come after, sir. So, less. The bigger heads, you know, is just some wicked people, you know. See, and it come from the head of Catholic, you know, the head of Rome, you know. And a Rome, write for them Bible, you know. And the beginning, then draw one white man, you know, and tell we say him a God. And draw one black man and tell we say him a Satan. Them me no blood clot Satan then. So me not praise a white blood clot God then. I like Jackson. Jackson. Alright. Oh, you can't draw your fucking self and tell me say me become bow to you and praise you. And draw me. And tell me, say me a Satan, me a devil, me no good, and me become blood clot bow to you. You want a blood clot machete and chop off your blood clot neck then. Since as you are the creator, save yourself. You, me will see you. Let's send that doggy Queen Elizabeth and the batty boy them in a room. And tell them, say, me at a fang say that blood clot.
Live on.
Alright.